Hi, welcome. In this video, we will see how to create a clustered bar chart in, in Power BI Desktop, right? So I have imported this sales data. So if you want to know how to import the sales data, you can go to the get data here and select the Excel workbook and you can import it, right? So in this sales data, I have these many attributes. So we are going to create the clustered bar chart using this data. So to create a clustered bar chart, you can just click on the clustered bar chart area and you can drag this and expand for a better visibility. And here I am taking product in the y-axis, the x-axis, right? I will take the quantity quantity in the x-axis and as well as count of salesmen count of salesmen in the x-axis. So you notice, right, for each product category and the quantity sold and the salesmen are segregated, and the number of salesmen, uh, how much quantity is sold for a particular product is divided in the clustered bar chart, right? So there is no data elements here. To do that, you can go to the data bars and you can just enable the data bars, and so you can explore all these formatting options that we have. Yeah, the bars options we have, right? You can change the uh, data bar colors here and select this one, and instead of blue you can select a dark yellow. And so whatever the options, formatting options that you can apply for this chart actually. So we'll talk about more and more Power BI charts going forward. If you are first time visiting my channel, I would suggest you to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification. Thank you and happy learning.